Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's yet another video for makeup. So guys, I am actually doing a voiceover, not a talk through. So as always, I actually started by cleaning my face with that Maro Badescu. So I will go in and moisturize my face using that moisture potion. It's a good moisturizer, guys. Most times I switch it up. I use my Cetaphil or I use this moisture potion, but both are good. They are all beautiful. You can try them out. So always remember that after applying your moisturizer, allow it to get dry and get tacky to your face. You don't have to apply all the skincare product at the same time. Always give it time to sink into your skin before you go over with another product. So after moisturizing, I'm going to prime. I'm using my primer from Flawless Ivy. So I'm going to be priming my face with Flawless Ivy. So this primer is a silicone base, not a water base. So most times when I don't really want to have a mattified face, like I want my face to be glowy and silky, this is the product I like to use. And when I'm not going to spend a lot of time outside, yeah, so that is when I normally use this product. The product is good. Flawless Ivy is a nice product. So my foundation today, guys, is from Zekel. You know, this is one of my all-time favorite. So are you seeing that moisturizer remaining in my hand? I actually learned a new trick. So I'm going to mix my foundation into that moisturizer. So I found out that it makes your foundation have a lightweight, you know, and gives you that full coverage. Like, I don't know how it feels, but when I used it on my face, I actually noticed a very different, you know, I actually had a very flawless, and it gave me full coverage immediately. Though this foundation is full coverage, but immediately I touched it, like everything was blending so well. Are you seeing that coverage? So guys, I'm going to blend it all. There's no need of me slipping in here blending my foundation. I have so many detailed video on how I blend my foundation. So guys, I noticed the color changed, so I don't know what happened. Okay, I remember, guys. I remember I changed the phone I was filming with, so it actually gave me a different color. Yeah. So if you notice under my eyes, my forehead, my jawline, my nose bridge, I'm not putting in fresh product. Like, you don't have to go in with too much foundation there because you are literally going to highlight there. So I leave it open for me to go in with my highlighter. So my highlighter today is from Hega and Esther, guys. So I'm going to start highlighting under my eyes, my forehead, my nose bridge, you know. Hega and Esther, guys, you know, is one of my favorites too. All the products I try are the products that I really love, and I've used it and really loved it. There are so many products that I bought that are still in my box and I'm not using them. Yeah, so I'm going to be highlighting. So guys, have you yet subscribed to my channel? Please, if you are enjoying this video, hit that like button. It will make this video go a long way, you know. It will make this video reach other people that will want to be watching my video. Don't see my video and pass. Please watch my videos, guys. Please. And don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow, help this baby YouTuber, so that other people will get to know me, you know. So actually, before I did this makeup, I had a video I did for my eyebrow routine. So I've already posted it. Please, I'm going to put it in this description box. Go over and check out for it and see how I do my brow routine, guys. So I'm leaving it to get a little bit tacky, especially this concealer. I like it to get tacky so that it will give me a fuller coverage. So while waiting for that to dry, I'm going to go over with my contour. I'm using in the shade Coffee from Adventure. If you know me very well, you know that I love to use this product for contour. Yeah, nothing else but for contour. I actually bought their concealers and I am not finding it funny. I ended up not liking them, but I like to use it for my contouring. It is very good. Like, I like the contour base than the foundation, the concealer. Yeah, even their foundation. Nah, but I prefer their concealer, this thing for contouring. So I'm putting under my nose bridge. So I'm going to be blending everything together, you know. Going to be blending, guys. So guys, I have other videos coming up, and I'm also going to use this Avon lip stain to do a creamy blush, you know. I love this lip stain. I'm always almost exhausting it doing my blush, so I like to get that intensity while doing my brush. So while I use a creamy lip stain, it helps my, you know, it helps it get that intense. So I'm using a damp beauty blender. Who doesn't use a damp beauty blender? Before you use your blender, please make sure it's damp, you know. Press out the water, squeeze it out, squeeze, then you blend so that it will make your whatever you are blending to blend into your skin seamlessly without leaving any patches, you know. So I'm blending my concealer from my forehead. I'll blend to my under eye. I'm using my foundation brush from Real Techniques. I guess I had to get another of this brush and actually make it specifically for my blending. I went to the store I buy my makeup things, and I was actually looking for this precise brush and I didn't see. She actually gave me this one and I rejected it. I think the next time I'm going back, if I don't see a suitable one, I'm going to be buying it. Like I'm already used to blending with this, yeah. So I think I will get it. I'll get it, yeah. Ooh, so I'm going to blend, you know. Are you seeing how blended is all looking? You know, take your time to blend. That is a tick in makeup. Blend. Make sure you're not leaving a harsh line. Most times I see people leave harsh lines on their nose because they wanted to achieve a pointed nose. Oh my god, you don't have to leave a harsh line on your face. Like, it doesn't look beautiful. I don't know. Always blend very well. So I'm going to be setting my face today using that RCMA powder. Guys, a lot of people don't talk about this powder, but this powder is the bomb. This setting powder is the bomb. Like, I so much like the way it melts into my skin, you know. You don't have to go through stress. It keeps you what you want. So I'm going to be using it to set under my eye, my forehead, you know, all the places I highlighted. I'm going to set it and make sure that it's dry, to not to allow it crease, you know. Why I like to set immediately is because most times when you tend to do other things, your under eye starts to crease. So always get it ready, mattify it, and you know. So I'm going to be blending the whole face using my powder brush and my powder from Ellie Pride to blend the whole face together to make sure there is no harsh line, guys. So I'm going to be blending everything together. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go with my blush palette from V Beauty, guys. You know I love using V Beauty now. So already, are you seeing that because I used that creamy contour, it's already looking like I already had, you know, a blush. So but I'm still going to add small. So I learned this trick from Lydia Stanley. She used her setting spray on the blush palette, you know, to intensify it. Like, you know, don't be scared, do it. That is what she said. Don't be scared. And I actually did it, and it came out so well. Like, I noticed a big change. Most times when I take it with my brush, you know, when it's dry, I don't really get that intensity that I want. But are you saying that? Like, seriously, I don't know where she learned that hack from, but God really bless her for actually bringing that out. So I'm going to be reversing contour. I'm going to reverse contour rather. I'm going to use my beauty blender also to reverse contour, and I'm using the same powder I used to set my face from RCMA. So I reverse contour to lift my chin, you know, make my contour area precise. Guys, are you seeing what it's doing? I don't know why some people actually don't reverse contour and they still had to get their precise contour. But when I don't do this, I found out that my contour is all over my chin, and you know, I don't want my chin to look big. The main deal is to make it look smaller, you know. it make it look smaller. So I'm going to be reversing contour, and I'll take the powder on my smile line, you know, make sure that I'm setting the whole place to avoid creasing. You know, most times when you smile, your face, your mouth starts to break, so I had to take the powder everywhere. So I'm jumping right straight to my foundation. I'm using my Benign Clone White to set my face. Did I say foundation? My eyeshadow, guys. So I'm going to be blending. I'm using that blending brush from Elf. So I had to wet it because it's very dry to help me get a seamless blend. I don't want it to be patchy, so I'm going to be blending. You know, blend thoroughly. Like most time when I don't know how to use this thing initially, I complain it's very patchy, because I'll go and pack a lot. Like I see some YouTubers when they will pack too much of this in their eyes without knowing that, man, you just have to go in with little or no primer on your eyelid. You know, this serves as a primer to help the color you are going to add to pop and all that. So the foundation color I'm going to use is just a very beautiful, simple color. You know my routine, I just do 2 colors. I don't like doing multiple colors, and when I do it, most times it doesn't suit my face. And because I'm using my face as, you know, a muse, I'm teaching you with my face, I had to do what fit my face so that you see it and love to watch it. So I'm going to be starting with that dark shade in Kim. So I'm going to be putting it under my eyes, my outer crease, you know. So I'm going to be putting it there. You blend it very, very well, guys. Yeah, I actually loved the color it came out. Like, it was very simple. I was not even thinking too much of the color to use. I just started, you know, applying everything, and it was all good, and I enjoyed the colors. I actually enjoyed it. So guys, let me still emphasize on you subscribing to my channel. If you have watched up to this moment, what is stopping you from subscribing? Please subscribe. You know, just close your eyes and hit that subscribe button, and you know, Bakam is subscribed. Please help your girl grow, and like this video, hit that like button, and comment down the comment section so that I will know you enjoyed it. You know, it will give me room to grow, it will make YouTube to push this video, and everybody, so many people is going to see it. So the second shade I used was from my Ezekiel Nude palette. So I'm going to use this flat brush from Bob Brown set of brush. So I'm going to be tapping it at my lid. So I'm going to be using that color Vanilla is actually a very beautiful shade. I have mostly not used it. I normally use Flared, Scuded, but you see that Vanilla, wow, when I use it, I actually say like, really, this is what I've been missing. I see people do this color and I'm like, wow, it's beautiful, how did they achieve it? And unintentionally, unconsciously, I achieved it today. Are you seeing that color, guys? It actually came out beautiful. So guys, I'm going to be using it to, you know, tap it at my outer lid and all that. So after that, I'm going to do my mascara. I actually didn't use forces here. Do you know the reason, guys? I was finding it very difficult to fix my forces. I don't know, people that fix their forces, you people na baba, oh, I throw away salute at the hello. And me with my long nails, I was doing unnecessary serere. I couldn't fix it. Let me just be very, very honest with you guys. So I actually loved it without the forces. So I'm going to go in with the color, a shimmy color from my African Queen palette, you know, Blossom African Queen, to put it at my tear dot. I just wanted to give it another dimension, you know, take it to another dimension. Not too much, you know. I don't like doing so much on my eyes, honestly. I don't like doing so much on my eyes, but when I work on client, whatever you want, I give you. So my mascara from VBT, I'm going to lay my lashes, and it actually came out nice. But guys, I am on it. I am learning how to fix forces on my own, the same way I learned how to fix contact lens on my own. I'm going to be learning it. And what caused it is because I actually didn't bring out the what's that called? Oh, what's that called again? Guys, borrow me words to fix my lash. So I jumped over it. That's the lashes I bought out to fix, but I couldn't. So I'm going to jump over right to my lip stain, guys. So I started with this concealer. This is from Adventure Concealer. So I'm just going to put it under my lip, because it helps me get a different shade from the lip stain originally. Like if it is red and you use a concealer, it will actually change the color. Yes, that is what it does. I don't know if another person have noticed. That is what it does. So I'm going to be putting the main lip stain that I want to use. Look at the shade here, and that was it for my lip stain, guys. That was it. So I had to blend thoroughly, you know, make sure that I get the consistency that I want, the consistency that I needed. Whew. So guys, it's not always easy to sit down, create videos, edit and post and nobody's watching. It is actually very discouraging. Tell me what you think I'm not doing well and I'm going to improve. Tell me your thoughts. Just feel free to tell me anything. That is why you are watching the video. So if you watched up to this moment, always comment, you know, comment severally. Tell me what you think. You can comment 10 times and I am there to reply you. Who am I not to reply? I will reply you. So I actually used this brown gel liner from Hagen Esther to map out my lip. You know, I wanted to reduce the intensity, and I went in with a gloss from Zikel Send Me Nude. Imagine that name, Send Me Nude. It's very funny, guys, really funny. Zikel, where are you guys? Like, I use a lot of your products. It's that time you make me your ambassador, you know. So guys, this is the final look. I am actually on a braid. You know, I love braids, guys. I love braids. So this is what I was able to come up with. Hope you like the video. Hope you like the makeup. Look at me looking like a bag of gold, like a billionaire's wife, man. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me with a comment, you know, tell me what you think on the comment section, and I'll be bringing back to back makeup videos. So in case you don't know, this makeup channel is about beauty vlogs and skincare, which I will bring to your way all the time. Until then, guys, I will see you. Bye.